At the Olympics, trust isn't optional, it's essential. Whether you're racing down an icy track or you're leading a team at work, know that trust is the foundation for resilience and success. Olympic teams teach us three powerful lessons about trust. Firstly, trust grows when goals align. A shared purpose keeps everyone in the same direction. Secondly, trust requires openness. Vulnerability strengthens bonds and builds deeper connections. And thirdly, trust is built through action. Consistency and accountability creates reliability under pressure. I've seen this firsthand as part of the Jamaican Bobsled Team, where trust wasn't a value, it was the key to navigating challenges and achieving the impossible. You see, when trust becomes your foundation, there's no limit to what your team can achieve. So let's work together to build resilience and elevate your team's performance. Just click on the link below to connect. And of course, keep on pushing.